Hello everyone, welcome back to our page. Today we are making something very special for you. Today on Vinchelo, I'll be showing you in details how to make a very sumptuous meal known by Nigerians, especially in the eastern part of Nigeria, as Ofe Akwu. Some other people know it as Banga Stew. This is an already boiled palm fruit. I forgot to record the boiling process, so it's just to boil it, then sieve it out. The next stage is pounding. You pound it like this. After pounding it, so the next stage is extraction of the oil. You extract the oil with warm water because warm water helps you in extraction due to the fact that you'll be able to bring out all the oil from the palm fruit. So guys, this process of extraction is very important because you need to extract it with little water, because if you extract it with plenty water you'll have to wait for it to boil and boil over and over to get thickened. But if you avoid using plenty water to extract the oil, you end up saving up some gas for yourself, and it also helps you save time. So after extraction, you set it aside to arrange other things you need for the meal. So the next stage is to spice our protein, and the protein I'm making use of today is pomo, also known as cow skin, and beef. So try as much as you can to spice it up well. I season the protein with salt, seasoning cubes, pepper, onion, powdered ginger and garlic. A lot of people I know prefers cooking their protein inside the extract, and that process makes the protein not to have taste at all. You'll be eating it, it will just be tasting water. My own secret is that you have to cook the protein separately with little water, because at the end of the day you will pour it inside the extract, and when you have too many water you have to cook it to let it dry and thicken up. But when you cook it with little water, you just have to start off with the cooking immediately without wasting any much of your time. I will also be making use of panla fish, but feel free to use any other dry fish of your choice. While the protein is boiling, we go ahead to prep the other ingredients. Here are natural spices that help elevate the taste of your ofe akwu. You all agree with me that ofe akwu is never complete without ugu and nchang, popularly known as scent leaf. As you can see, the beef is almost ready. The next thing to do is to add in the other protein to incorporate together. The pomo was previously cooked and frozen, so what I did is just to bring it out.
beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weave sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weave sold in.
The names of these natural spices will be in the description below under ingredients. This is just me showing you how I blend it to a powder form. Now that the pan fruit is boiling, the next thing is to add in the other ingredients at the right time. As the Ofe Akwu is boiling, we move over to parboil the rice. Once the extract starts thickening up and the oil floating on top, the next thing is to introduce the previously cooked protein. I will add some onions to it and let it boil for a bit. If you've made it this far, you are clearly enjoying it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more kitchen moments. While it's still boiling, we move over to wash the already parboiled rice and put it to a boil. I believe I'm not the only one that prefers cutting vegetables by myself. This is me cutting the vegetables because we will soon introduce it to the Ofe Akwu. When cooking Ofe Akwu, it's always advisable to first go in with the scent leaf before the ugu because scent leaf takes more time to cook and it needs time to boil. Now it's time to add in the ugu because the Ofe Akwu is almost done. Stir and turn off the heat to avoid overcooking the vegetables. As you can see, now we have a perfectly cooked native Ofe Akwu and rice to pair with it. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed the process and if you'll be trying out the recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more kitchen moments.